Hello everyone, it's Jay again from Jay's Animation Studio, and if you're watching this tutorial, you probably saw my particle intro, and right now I'm going to show you how to change a few features on the particle intro, such as the particle effect itself, and the fade in, fade out of the text. So first off, I'm going to start off with the actual particle effect. Um, Basically, it's just a trail of particles coming from behind the sphere. So what you're going to do is, while you have the circle selected by right clicking on it, you're going to go to this bar over here in the top right, and you're going to scroll over using the middle mouse button and click the particles. Particles. And you're going to go down and you can change the emission number, and that will change the amount of particles coming out from behind the ball. At that number, I found that it gives it sort of a sparkly effect. But if you increase that number by 2, it gives it a smoke effect. And I'll probably be making another intro using a smoke effect, which I found looks kind of cool when you're doing that. Um, Also, I'll probably be adding a background to the particle intro to make it look like it's in the sky. So I think that's going to be pretty cool. But anyway, back to the tutorial. Um, yeah, that's how you change the amount of particles coming behind the ball. Now, when you're watching the intro, you'll see that the text fades in at the perfect time to come up in front of the sparkles, the sparkly effect. Um, if you want to change this, you right click the um, text, and you're going to come back up to this bar, and you're going to go over to material, and you're going to scroll down, and you're going to see alpha transparency of the material. Um, Basically, you want to start off at 0 because that means that the text isn't, it shows up as there's no text there. And then later on, you kind of want to give it, you want to put it at 1, and that will bring up the text in front of the sparkles, and then you get that nice effect. To actually change the text, you want to go into edit mode, keep your mouse on the screen, and type in your YouTube name or whatever you want to put in there, such as the video name or whatnot. And then just go back to object mode, and it will save your text change. That's pretty much it, but right now let me show you what I meant by the smoky effect right here. Oh, right, and when you want to render this and add music to it, you're going to go down, you're going to change this to an AVI RAW, you're going to click that button, and you're going to change your directory. I have a Blender folder set up, and I'll put it in my particle intro folder. Make sure to give it a title, so I'm going to put particle intro. And different files do not overlap, and since I have a .avi file, I can put in particle intro and it won't affect any of these files. So I can just go ahead and click accept, and after you're done doing that, you just click animate. Now what I'm going to show you is that the smoky ball effect. Alright. Notice the difference between the ball here and the ball in my actual particle intro. And notice the fade of the text coming up towards the smoke. this adds kind of a thick smoke. Um, if you break it down to, if you break it 1 0 less, you'll get a lighter smoke effect, and then another 0, and you get the particle effect that I have in my intro. Um, so that's how that's gonna turn out. After you're done rendering and you want to add some music to it, just go ahead and take your AVI file, and you're gonna open with. Do I have any AVI files? No, I don't. But anyway, you're gonna open it with. You're gonna right-click it, and it's gonna say Open With, and you're gonna open it with Windows Live Movie Maker, and then I'll just put this in real quick. And to add music to it, the actual animation is gonna be here, and you're gonna say Add Music, and then you can just pick a music from a directory folder and add it to the video. After you're done doing that, you want to save movie. Oh my god. Recommended. And give it a title. Particle. Yes, I know I spelled particle wrong throughout the video. That's just so that the names don't overlap. Right. Don't overlap. That's how you actually spell particle if you don't know. So yeah. So put it in the directory you want. Go ahead and save it. Takes a minute. There we go. It's going to say it's done. Just go ahead and close that. Exit out, say no. And then when you go back into wherever you put your folder, or the file, it's going to be right here. So that's how that works. This was a tutorial on the particle effect intro. Subscribe, like, and comment, and hope this video answered all your questions. If you do have any questions, please leave it in the comment box, and I'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks, and goodbye.